Hi, in this session we'll be covering members. Members are customer logins for accessing any account features your website might have. If you have an integrated website, please double check with our team before making any edits here, as this information may be coming from your ERP system. Depending on your requirements, customers may be able to register themselves through the website. However, you still have the ability to add, remove, and perform tasks like resetting passwords or updating details. You can find members under Content and then Members. There's a couple of features in here that are unique to the Members item type, such as the Login button. This allows you to log in as that user in case you need to log in to check things like their order history or any other tasks you might need to undertake. If you want to edit the member itself, simply press the Edit button. And from here, you can go through, update any account details, or do things like resetting their password. All passwords within the web wizard are encrypted, and as such, once you set a password, it will no longer remain visible. The attributes on members are heavily website dependent, but usually contain things like email address, account reference, password, and contact details. If you want to create a new account, go back to the members item type and press the Add New button, fill in the form, and press Save.